Welcome back, guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. I got two of this KAPPA BANDA big bay track pants. This is original price. I think it was $100, and then has a 50% off, become $49.99. And then there's a Labor Day additional 30% off. So each pants I only pay like $34.99. So I got two of them. One is the red color, and the other one is black. They only have an extra large, so I buy them for resale. So let's go ahead and see. And there's also a dark green one, which is Adidas original ID break snap track pants. But that one they haven't shipped out yet, so I'm not sure why they ship out. It costs them more to ship individually or separately. So anyway, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Ooh, there's my invoice. So as you can see, it shows the description of those two pants right there. And then the third one, they have not shipped out yet. And this is the price. If you purchase more than $50, you get a free shipping, and you just pay the tax. So this is the total damage for my two pants right here. So I'm still kind of worried for my kids' shoes. I ordered 8 pairs and I only received 1. And I haven't got any confirmation for the rest of other shoes. So this is the original authentic sportswear brand since 1967. Okay. Urban Outfitter. Red Rogue extra large. Yeah, I hate it when I look at the bag. I need it for a resale to make some money. Ooh. Wow, it's nice. Nice material. So here you go, Urban Outfitters, and then the price should be on the back. Wow, $100. Got this nice. So this is almost similar to the ID break because you can break apart. This is a snap-on button. Okay. Four, 5, 6, 7. So I guess this is for basketball players when they wear shorts inside. This is plastic, by the way, if you guys are wondering. So yeah, in case you guys need to have wear like basketball shorts and then you need to take it apart right away, that's what's it for, I guess. So this is try to imitate the Adidas, the ID break pants, the track pants. And then you got this draw cord right here on the front. And then you could, and then you could snap and then break opening on the other side as well. There's your right hand pockets and then your left hand pockets. And next to your right hand pocket, you got this their logo right here, the Kappa. Let's go check out the label. So Kappa extra large. And then you got this hang tags. Got the 3 of the hang tags, 222 Banda. So this is the regular fit, not the skinny fit. And then this is what it look like at the tip, at the draw cord. Let's go ahead and quickly to move on to this black one. So yeah, this one has somehow has a longer tag and say Big Urban right here. So yeah, basically it's the same thing, okay? Got the 3 tags again. Too bad the pocket is not a zipper. In case I have a problem that's sometimes if the pocket is not too deep or shallow, it's tend to lose my keys or wallet. Oh no, oh, I just pulled out the tag. It's from there. Well, anyway, I'm just gonna throw this in anyway, so. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video and what I picked up. I think it's a pretty awesome deal. Cannot go wrong with this. And then be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell for notification and drop any comments on below. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always. Peace out.